Hello, my name is Mateen. Thank you for giving me some of your time. To make sure I don't miss anything, I will have a script by me. Today, you'll be helping me test a mobile application. Your perspective will be very helpful in figuring out what works and what does not. So I encourage you to think out loud and be blunt about it, as in say what you're looking at, what you're trying to do, and what you're thinking. Reassuring that we're testing a site and mobile application and not you, so no need to worry about making mistakes. If you have any questions as we go along, just ask them and I will annotate them, and I may not be able to answer them right away. We want to know how things work without immediate assistance. If you still have questions at the end, I'll try to answer them. Also, if you need to take a break at any point, let me know. You may have noticed this recording device, which is going to be recording this session. If you're fine with it, we're going to record what happens on the screen and conversation. It is for educational purpose, and none outside of the classroom is going to see it. It's only going to be used to see how we can better present our mobile application. Do you consent to this?
Yes.
Do you have any questions so far?
Not yet.
Okay, so before we start, let me ask you a few questions. Do you own a computer, laptop, or smartphone?
Yes.
You own all three?
Computer.
Computer, laptop, and smartphone?
I have a laptop and a smartphone. I don't have a computer like desktop.
Okay. On a scale of 1 to 5, where 1 is nothing at all and 5 is very much, how would you rate your confidence or comfort using your mobile phone for food purchasing?
5.
On that same scale, how likely are you to use a mobile food ordering app such as Tapingo or like Uber Eats or...
Yeah, 5.
Okay. We're done with the questions. Let's get started. Go to the mobile application. First, without clicking on anything, give me some impressions about the mobile applications. As in, what do you like? What do you not like? Who do you think made it? What do you think the site is all about?
Yeah, okay. I like that my items of purchase are showcased in a way that is, I guess, how do you say, user-friendly and is presentable. Like I can see the item, the price, my option to buy. I can get the quantity up or down. I can scroll down and up, and I see that there's a little shopping cart at the top corner, which I understand is, typical on these e-commerce sites like Amazon, eBay, etc. And I don't know. I feel confident.
Okay, great. Now that we have to move on to a specific task, I'll read them out loud to you and give you a printed copy. Once again, let us know what you're thinking about. Our first task is trying to add a credit card to your order. So the scenario is that it's your longest school day of the week and you're in between classes. How would you go about completing a mobile order and ordering barbecue chips?
How would I go about doing that?
Yes.
Well, I would presume that I already have a credit card inserted somewhere.
Yep, correct. So are you able to navigate that on the mobile application?
Yeah, I mean, I can see that I have a profile icon that usually is an indication that of things like the settings and account settings, things that are connected to things that are important, such as my credit card information, basic information, non-social security, of course.
Okay. Great. So you're able to find.
Yeah, I see something that indicates that. Oh, look, am I correct? Yeah, payments are available, email, password, order history, can log out whenever I need to. I mean, it was very intuitive to me.
Okay, great. How would you go to the order on the credit card?
how would I go to
So
purchase an order, sir?
Yeah, so say you're trying to buy a barbecue kettle chips and say you want to check out.
I would
Where-
go to this icon that has the cart at the top right corner. That's pretty typical.
Yeah,
I hope I would be correct about that.
could you go ahead and add the barbecue chips to your cart and try checking out?
Sure. So if I want to buy one, for instance, purchase. Okay. So I have to pick up here. I'm just following along here. I'm trying to follow your orders. So I'm told I have to go pick it up at a specific location.
Yep, correct.
So my grand total is $1.75. Okay, well, I hate to break it to you. I'm trying to find like how to proceed next. I mean, sure. Grand total. Might want to work on.
Sorry, it's our part of our what's currently implemented and not implemented. Are you able to see where the current credit card is?
Yeah, of course.
Or are you able? Can you tell us where that is or where you see it?
Oh, it's at the bottom here.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to the next task. The next task is the scenario starts off with you have a few back-to-back classes but work immediately after. You're wanting to order multiple quantities of a Cliff Bar to eat in between classes. How would you go about adding the multiple Cliff Bars to your cart?
The quantity option here, that's at the bottom of this here. So I could add 1, 2, 3.
Yep.
Let me see. Can I get a third one in there? I think it's only allowing me to. I mean, if it's just a mock-up, I understand. But I see that you're able to add more than one.
Yes, exactly.
Adjust your quantities. Okay.
And are you able to figure out how to access the cart itself and to see the amount of quantity?
The card?
The cart.
Oh, the cart. Yeah. So if I choose to have 2, I have a cart up here that shows that I've got 2 that I want at the top right corner.
All right, great.
Oh, and then I can make a purchase with the purchase at the bottom.
Yeah. That's finishing out the checkout.
For sure. Yeah.
So so the next task is that you're craving a Cliff Bar and currently have some free time available as you're waiting for the next lecture to begin. How would you go about adding the Cliff Bar to your cart as quickly as possible? In this case, there may be multiple ways of adding the Cliff Bar, but we were just saying how you can add it to the cart as quickly as possible.
Can you repeat? So, sorry, maybe I don't quite understand.
So how would you go about adding the Cliff Bar to your cart as quickly as possible?
I would think that it adds it immediately if I upgrade the quantities.
As in, like, using the search feature.
Sure. Oh, yeah. I mean, I could go on the search and I see that it's one of the popular brands that's available. Maybe it might be something that I've frequented in the past. Or I could even search what I want, actually. Yeah, I mean, we're in the search, so let me see if I type in Cliff. Okay. Okay, sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, great. You're able to navigate towards the search box.
Yeah.
All right, great. That's pretty much all that we need from you for now. That was very helpful. Do you have any questions for our members, for our observer?
No, not really. I appreciate this time. I hope I did a good job.
Thank you.
So when you were checking out and you were at the final screen and you said that you didn't know where to go, how do you suggest that we improve that?
For instance, what was
when it was showing you the location where you were supposed to pick up?
I don't know. There should be like a verify kind of button at the bottom or something. Or yeah, like here I'm doing the purchase again. I mean, look, it says pick up here, and that's all I have to worry about. I mean, there's no like, like, hey, check out, okay, or like, something that validates, okay, yeah, I'm done.
I see. So maybe
like
like
an
a
OK button or
like
something.
a screen right before this one is to confirm that you want to purchase. Is that what it is?
Yeah, or that, hey, okay, just pick it up here and then just hit next or something, and it takes you back to home or something.
Oh, okay. Awesome.
Something that just verifies that, oh, yeah, all you got to do is go here, and that's about it.
Okay. So like a final button to
That's
exit.
what I mean, like
I
a
see.
final button.
Okay.
That's what I was thinking.
Okay, great. Thank you. Appreciate your time.
Thank you.
I felt like it would be redundant to ask. So what do you think?